go into the garage. Apparently there's something interesting in there. Let's have a look. Oh, hey, what is that? Some days, you know, you're looking for parts in a turbo kit thing there for that, and then what the hell is this? Look, what's that? Oh my God, what is that? Boys from Utah really get around, huh? Come up here into BC, you sneak into my garage, but you didn't fix any of it. Could have at least rebuilt the turbo, or, you know, done some of the wiring, or, you know, put the O-ring on the injector pump, or, you know, put the fenders on, or, you know, the hood, and then cut the hood, the hole in the hood, and put the fan on for the electric cooling for the air-to-air. You know, you guys aren't up here.